My name's Daniela and I work at the Woodbridge Public Library. I'm here today to show you a very simple activity that you can do with your kids. It's called the house book. And all you need is a rectangular piece of paper, just like this one. This is slightly bigger than an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, but any paper will do. So you're going to make some folds in this paper. We're going to begin by making a hot dog fold. So we're going to take the long edge and match it up to the other side, just like this. Next, we're going to open it up again, and we're going to match the short edge to the opposite side and make another fold, like this. So your paper should now look something like this. So now you're going to take the long edge again and match it up to the middle crease. Like this. And you're going to flip it around and do the same thing on the opposite side. So matching the long edge to the middle crease. You should have something that looks like this. You can see all those folds there. Okay, so now you're going to make your fold again, what they call a hamburger fold, just like this. On the closed side, you're going to make what's called a shirt collar fold. And it looks just like this. So you're going to do one on one end and one more on the other end. And you're going to have something that looks like this. So now you can open it up. And you should be able to pop in this middle edge and match up your corners. So that you have something like this. And you're going to do the same on the other side. Fold that in. Just going to make a small adjustment on the other side. Okay, so you should have something that looks like this. And you're going to want to fold back your edge here, like this, and again on the opposite side, to give your home an entrance, like this. And just flip it over and do the same thing on the opposite side. Okay, and this is the basic structure of your house book. Just like this, and you can fold it up too so that it can be read like a book, and you can decorate and embellish this any way you like. I have a sample for you. I made a kitty cat cafe, and I have some kitty cat diners over here having some coffee and some catnip. So you can really take this project wherever your imagination takes you. You can decorate with markers, pencil crayons, stickers, glitter, whatever you like. You can create a fantasy story, create the characters to your story. There's many different ways to work on your house book. I did find this project on Creative Bug, which is a resource that Vaughan Public Library subscribes to, so you can access that for free from our library's website. It's called Creative Bug, and there's so many cool projects to explore there. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're all staying well out there. Take care and see you next time.